I'm interested in solar energy, but I don't know much about solar inverters. Can you explain what they are?
Sure. A solar inverter is a device that converts the direct current, DC, generated by solar panels into alternating current, AC, which is compatible with your home's electrical grid.
What are the functions of a solar inverter?
Solar inverters have several important functions, including maximizing power output, monitoring system performance, and ensuring safety.
Are there different types of solar inverters available?
Yes, there are 3 types of solar inverters: string inverters, microinverters, and power optimizers. Each type has its advantages and disadvantages.
What are the key factors to consider when choosing a solar inverter?
The key factors to consider include efficiency, warranty, compatibility with battery storage systems, and advanced monitoring capabilities.
How important is it to install and maintain the solar inverter?
Installing and maintaining your solar inverter is crucial for the efficiency of your solar PV system. Professionals like solarSME assure that the solar inverter will perform optimally for years.
That's good to know. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos about solar energy.